Ever noticed fruit flies swarming your kitchen bench as soon as you bring home ripe bananas or stone fruit? They seem to appear out of nowhere and multiply fast. Fruit flies don't just annoy you. They spoil your produce and can spread bacteria around your kitchen surfaces. Here's a simple, natural homemade trap you can set up in minutes using things you'll already have at home. Grab a small jar or glass, pour in about 2 centimeters of apple cider vinegar, and add a drop of dishwashing liquid. The vinegar attracts the flies, while the dishwashing liquid breaks the surface tension so the flies can't escape once they land. Cover the jar with cling wrap and secure it with a rubber band. Poke a few small holes in the top big enough for fruit flies but not larger insects. Place the trap near your fruit bowl or compost caddy, where fruit flies tend to gather. Don't overfill the jar, or the flies can land and take off again. Check and empty the trap every couple of days, refreshing the vinegar mix as needed. You'll notice fewer fruit flies almost straight away. Homemade traps are a quick, low-cost way to protect your fruit and keep your kitchen fresher, especially during warmer months when fruit flies are most active.